This is how to grow your social media if you are tired of staying the same. Optimize your channel. What do I mean by that? It includes your banner, your profile picture, your bio. Create all that to give that feeling of what you want someone to understand about you when they come to your page. The Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, wherever. Right? You want the right picture to capture you. You want the right bio that explains concisely what you are about. Be intentional about your content. Know what you're about. Know the timings and how consistent you want to be. Just have a mental picture of how you want to run your channel, right? Don't just go flying about the air. Be consistent. Now, I know that may look different for different people. I mean, some people consistency is every day. Some people it's every weekend. Some people it's twice a week or thrice in 2 weeks. Know your time schedule. Know what works for you and do not compare. Okay. Now, I cannot stress this enough. If you want to grow your social media and you are not following other creatives and being active on your social media platforms, you are lagging behind. Follow social media creatives as you. Comment on their pictures or posts. Like, share, engage, and you're going to get that back. That's a hack that some people do not know. I've used that and I have seen improvements. That's how you get mutual friends on social media. If you want to not be active on other creatives' posts, you need to start doing that. So turn on their post notifications and support them, engage them, and I promise you, you will get that support in return. And even if you don't, that's fine. Let's say you do that for 10 people. At least 5 people will do that for you. Take breaks when you need to. I know this is not said enough. Sometimes you need to take a break. Currently, I'm on a break. It is not a crime to take a break from social media. Social media can be overwhelming. It can even be a full-time job because you're seeing how many images and pictures in a day. You're talking to how many people. You're trying to settle things, edit, find what works for you, what is appealing, the content ideas. It's good to take a break. You need to take a break and recalibrate and come back stronger than ever. Stronger like you never left. Be loud and unapologetic for your brand and what you do. Make sure you make it clear. Do not think of, oh, how's this person going to see me? Oh, how's my friend going to take my content? They don't have to like your content. Don't fake it. Be yourself. Don't try to speak like someone else or be like someone else or act like someone else. Be you. People want to see that authentic you. Remember that saying, there's only one of you in this planet. That's not a wrong saying. That's actually a true statement. So if you believe that you're actually one of you and you're special, you will act like it and not try to be like someone else. To add to that, I would say there is an audience for everyone. So that someone is not liking your videos does not mean that your content is bad. It could be most times that they are just not your audience. Sprinkle a bit of versatility in your content. You can do things, show your passion, show your interests, show things that you love to talk about or do. In that, you will find other people that can relate with you and also understand. Okay? Relatability is mostly what attracts people to your page. You being professional and expert and being relatable. And mind you, you do not have to share everything. Remember, it's a social media space. It's global. So many people get to see it at the same time. So share what you know you want people to know about. If you don't want them to know about or talk about, do not share. Have fun while doing it. That's the main thing that I see people don't do. Find what works for you. Have fun while editing your video. Use the app you like. Use the skills that you like, that you are familiar with, the ideas you want to talk about or you want to show to people. Let it be in a fun manner. Have fun. Don't just let it be like a chore. Have fun. Even if it's your career or your full-time job, have fun with it. That's the way. I think in general, anything at all that you're doing, have fun. That is how to not make things draining. I hope this video helped you and blessed you, and I would see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know what other videos or questions that you have. I'll see you in my next video.